Hi, I'm Marissa Peer, and looking at your responses to the quiz you just took, I can see that your gap is dealing with the fear of rejection and the fear of failure, and it's a biggie. So many people go through their life worrying that they may be rejected. They hold themselves back in case they get rejected. They don't go for that great job. They don't go for that great person. The fear of rejection makes them hold back. And I've seen so many people, as you know, I wrote a book and yet I never submitted it, or I had this idea and everything with it in case I got rejected, only to see somebody with an idea that wasn't even as good as mine do better than me. So I really want to help you to understand that you cannot be rejected. You see, rejection is an old, outdated fear. Many moons ago, when we lived in tribes, it was an absolute truth that if you got rejected and they cast you out or banished you or rejected you, you might die. Today, you are not going to die from rejection. Rejection is not the terrifying thing it once was. You cannot be rejected. So here is how to deal with rejection. To let rejection in, you have to agree with everything that the person that is rejecting you believes. You've got to believe what they believe. You've got to think what they think. You've got to feel what they feel. If you're not living in their head, you don't even know what they're thinking or feeling. And many people who reject you are just hurt and unhappy, and they're passing that on. So I want you to be bulletproof. I want you to recognize that you cannot be rejected unless you give the person who is rejecting you permission to reject you. Let's imagine someone says, I don't like you, you're a loser, or you're not attractive enough for me, or you're not interesting enough, or smart enough, or good enough. You get to choose straight away. Are you going to let that in? Are you going to believe it or not? You know, if someone tries to give you something, you don't accept it, it's left with them. If I try to give someone a gift and they don't want it, I've still got the gift. If someone tries to reject you and you don't take it, you have left it with them. You don't have to accept anything unless you want it. And it changes your life when you learn that you cannot be rejected, that no one can reject you unless you give them your permission, and you're never going to do that, are you? Secondly, the fear of failure. We hold back from the incredible success that is right in front of us just in case we fail. You cannot fail. If you try something that doesn't work out, you've learned something. I tried so many things that didn't work, and I learned they weren't for me. That wasn't what I was meant to do. It didn't have my name on it. The only way you can fail is in failing to try. Napoleon said, a man who never made a mistake never made anything. You're allowed to make mistakes. You're allowed to fail. What you are not allowed to do is to beat yourself up and to hold yourself back for the rest of your life because you went through a learning process. You only learn by failing. So stop fearing failure and recognize that failure can be your best friend because it shows you where you shouldn't go. It also shows you where you could. So I like my friend failure. Everything I failed at became my best friend because it showed me, you don't want to go over here. You go over there. That's got your name on it. Look at failure and rejection differently. You'll feel different about rejection and failure. You'll understand they cannot hurt you, and sometimes they can help. You know what? I thank God that my first boyfriend rejected me. I might still be with him. I'm so glad I got fired from my first job because I didn't want to be a waitress for the rest of my life, and I'm elated that I was rejected and kicked out of college because it made me something much better than I would have been if I stayed in college. So start to see failure and rejection as your friend that are taking you where you're meant to go, not where you think you should be. And when you look at it differently, it changes everything and it makes you bulletproof. And then you can't be rejected and you can't fail. You can only succeed.